Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some sweater nails. So I start by applying my full cover nail tips to my nails. I did already prep my nails off camera and applied my peel off base coat and gel base coat. So I am using my mini nail lamp to apply my full cover nail tips. So I just placed some of the gel base coat inside of the nail tip, and then I placed it on my nail and I applied pressure and cured it for about 5 to 10 seconds under this mini nail lamp. And when I was finished with all of the nails, I cured in my bigger nail lamp for 30 seconds. So I know I missed a couple of uploads, and the reason for that is because I got super busy for this past week and the video was already done. I just had to do the voiceover, which always takes very long. That's why I missed 2 uploads. It's only because I couldn't do the voiceovers in time. So now I am just using my cuticle bit to go around the cuticle area to remove any of the gel base coat that may have seeped out of the nail. Then I'm just filing the free edge and the sides of the nails to get a more crisp shape. Now I am using my sanding band to remove the shine from the surface of the nails. So I will be using carnation pink for this nail set, and I'm also going to be using my finish gel from ProDip, the brand. So I'm using finish gel, which is considered their dip powder top coat. I'm going to be using that as my dip powder base because I do not have any dip powder base, and you can use dip powder top coat as dip powder base. So I am just gonna be applying some of this carnation pink to most of my nails, so this will be in real time. So starting on the pinky nail, I just applied some of my dip powder base and then I dipped into the dip powder. Then moving on to the ring nail, I'm doing the same thing. So both the pinky nail and the ring nail, I am going to be doing a few layers to build up these nails, but the rest of the nails I would not be building up because I am going to be encapsulating some glitters on those nails. And I did do about 3 to 4 layers of this dip powder on the pinky nail and the ring nail. Now moving on to the rest of the nails, I'm just going to be doing 2 layers just to build the opacity of these nails so it's more opaque but thin enough so that I can apply some glitters and encapsulate the nail. So I did do 2 layers only, and I tried my best to make sure that the dip powder base covered the whole nail, and then I dipped into the dip powder. I didn't want some patches where areas of the nail didn't have any dip powder. It needed to be opaque and it needed to be fully covered with those 2 layers, because I didn't want to risk building the nails too much, and then when I applied the glitters and encapsulated the nail ended up too thick. I didn't want that at all. So I needed to get these 2 layers as thin and as opaque as possible. Now I'm just going to be applying activator to all of the nails and waiting for them to harden. Then I'm just going to be going around the cuticle area of the index and the middle nail a little, just to get that area right, because I am going to be encapsulating that area. So I just wanted to make sure that the cuticle area was good before I had to do all of that. So I'm just doing some light filing, nothing much. Now I'm going to be using these iridescent glitter snowflake sequences, so I'm just going to be placing some on my nail palette, and I'm also going to be using some gel base coat as well. So I'm just going to be placing some of my gel base coat, and this is gel base coat that you cure in a lamp. So I'm placing a layer of the gel base coat on the index nail. And then I'm using my dotting tool to pick up some of the snowflake sequences. Now, in order for the glitter sequences to lay flat, I like to use a jelly stamper and my LED flashlight to cure it while applying pressure to the sequences so that it could lay flat. So anyway, as you all can see, I did mess up the first time I tried to cure the nail sequences, but on the second go I did do it well enough. I don't know what happened the first time, I can't even remember. So on the ring nail I am doing the same thing. So the mistake I made with the middle nail is applying another snowflake right there. I really should not have done that. I don't know why I did it, but it really doesn't matter. So I'm just going to be encapsulating the nails right now. I am going to be using my clear dip powder to encapsulate the nails, and I am using my dip powder base as well. So everything I'm doing here is a mistake, by the way, but you all will see very soon. I should not have done this. I knew, deep down I knew I should not have encapsulated with clear dip powder, but I never listened to myself, and I learned the hard way all the time. I don't think I'd ever learn. So I'm just going to be encapsulating the nails with a few layers of my clear dip powder. So I'm just going to let this part play out, and I'll be back shortly. Next, I'm just going to be applying activator to harden the nails. So guys, this is after attempting to file the nails, and I failed miserably. While filing the nails, it began to develop holes in the nails while I was filing, so chunks of the nail was coming off while filing, and that is because I encapsulated the nails with clear dip powder. Because remember, I did use my gel base coat to adhere the glitter snowflakes, so I was supposed to use a gel product to encapsulate the nails, and I knew this. I don't know why I didn't do it. I really don't know. But yeah, so I'm just removing all of the nails. So I'm just removing the middle, index, and the thumbnail. Now I'm just going to be encapsulating using my IBD hard gel. So I did redo the nails off camera, and now I'm just encapsulating the nails. So this is how the nails are looking. So I'm just going to be using some rubbing alcohol to remove the tacky layer, and then I filed the nails off camera, and the nails look so much better. So now I'm just going to be applying my Madame Glam Velvet Matte top coat to the ring nail and the pinky nail, and then I cured for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be using this liner gel from Macart. It's called Rose and Red. So I'm just going to be placing some on my nail palette. And I'm using my nail art brush from Macart to do some French nails. So I'm just going to be drawing some French nails right now. And this part is going to be in real time. So I did do the pinky nail off camera. Now I'm just applying some more of the velvet matte top coat to the nails and curing for 30 seconds. So I'm going to be using my clear dip powder from McCart, but before I do that, I am going to be drawing some sweater nails on the ring nail and the pinky nail. So I'm just going to let this part play out and I'll be back shortly. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing because it is a bit dark, I think. So yeah, I hope you guys can see it. So before curing, I'm just going to be pouring my McCart clear dip powder on the nail and then I cured for 30 seconds. Now moving on to the pinky nail, I'm going to be doing the same thing. Next, I'm just going to be top coating the rest of the nails with my glossy top coat and curing that for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be using these red rhinestones that I got from McCart and I'm going to be using that on the index nail. So I placed some of my rhinestone glue at the cuticle area of the index nail, and before curing I'm just going to be placing some of the rhinestones and then I cure for 30 seconds. So now I'm just going to be placing some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. So guys, this is the finished look. This is my French sweater nail set and I think it turned out really good. I love everything about this nail set. Although I did make many mistakes in the beginning. I think I redeemed myself. I should listen to myself more often. So anyway, besides all of that happening, I think this nail set turned out really good. It was really fun to do, and I think it was really easy as well. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.